Are you looking for a Grammarly coupon code to save money on premium plans? Excellent. In this video, I will show you how you can get an extra 20% discount every month on Grammarly premium plans. Our discount coupon code works for everyone, whether you are a student, teacher, writer or a blogger. All you have to do, follow this video step by step to receive our discount. You need to visit the Grammarly discount link on this video description to activate our exclusive discount automatically. When you click the discount link, you will redirect to Grammarly homepage. Here you can see save 20% on premium plans today. Click on the get started button to claim Grammarly discount.